Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day fitness series for seniors. Today is day 15, and we'll do the same 3 easy but powerful leg exercises to keep your strength growing day by day. If you're new here, start from day 1 and don't forget to subscribe so we can stay healthy together. All right, take out your chair and let's begin. Exercise 1. Chair sit and stand, strength and mobility. All right, my strong seniors, let us begin our first exercise, the chair sit and stand. This is one of the best exercises to improve your leg strength, balance, and everyday mobility. Make sure you have a sturdy chair in front of you on a flat surface. Sit down fully with your feet flat on the floor, knees bent at 90 degrees and your back straight. Now slowly stand up, keeping your balance, and then sit back down gently. We will repeat this movement 50 times together, nice and steady. Remember to breathe naturally, keep your back straight, and focus on controlling each movement. Are you ready? Let us begin our count. Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing. Keep that posture tall and your shoulders relaxed. Feel your leg muscles working. That is your strength building up. Let us continue. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are halfway there. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. You are doing a fantastic job. Do not stop now. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent. Keep your knees steady and your feet flat as you sit and stand. Each movement makes your thighs and hips stronger. Just 10 more. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful work. You have just completed all 50 repetitions of our first exercise. Take a moment to sit comfortably and notice how your legs feel, warm, active, and full of energy. This exercise may look simple, but it is extremely effective for strengthening your thighs, hips, and core muscles. It helps improve balance, mobility, and the ability to stand, walk, and move with confidence in daily life. If you completed all 50, type in the comments, "I did it," and tell me how are you feeling right now. Also, do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your fellow seniors so they can join you on this fitness journey and feel just as strong. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions, knee strength and flexibility. All right, my strong seniors, now let us move on to our second exercise called seated leg extensions. This exercise is wonderful for keeping your knees strong, flexible, and pain-free. It helps improve joint movement, supports walking, and reduces stiffness, especially helpful if you sit for long hours or have mild knee pain. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight and hands holding the sides for support. Keep your feet flat on the ground and your core engaged. Now slowly extend your right leg forward, hold it for 2 seconds, and gently bring it back down. Then do the same with your left leg. We are going to do 25 repetitions on each leg, alternating between them. Remember to move slowly and with control. Never rush. Take a deep breath in and let us begin together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing, my friends. Keep Keep breathing normally, keep that back straight, and feel your thigh muscles working each time you lift your leg. Let us keep going strong. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent job. Keep alternating between legs and stay focused. If you feel a gentle stretch around your knees, that is perfect. It means your joints are waking up and becoming flexible. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are doing fantastic. Keep breathing and smiling. We are almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful. You have just completed 25 repetitions for each leg. That makes 50 total movements. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel that light warmth in your thighs and around your knees. That is your body thanking you for taking care of it. This simple exercise improves knee flexibility, reduces stiffness, and helps you walk, climb stairs, and move comfortably throughout the day. If you completed all repetitions, comment below, "I did it," and tell me in the comments from which country are you joining today. I would love to know where my strong seniors are exercising from. Also, remember to share this video with your senior friends so they can keep their knees healthy and strong with you. Exercise 3, heel raises, balance and ankle strength. All right, my strong seniors, now it is time for our third exercise, the heel raises. This one is excellent for improving your balance, ankle strength, and walking stability. It strengthens your calves and helps prevent falls by training your legs to stay firm and steady. Please stand behind your chair and hold the backrest lightly for support. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, your back straight, and your eyes forward. Now slowly lift your heels up, rising onto your toes. Hold that position for 2 seconds, and then gently lower your heels back down. Remember, slow and steady movement is the key. Control each rise and fall. Are you ready? We will do 50 repetitions together, and I will count each one with you. Take a deep breath and let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, You are doing amazing. Keep those shoulders relaxed and your movements smooth. Feel the stretch in your calves and the strength in your ankles. Keep going. You have got this. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wonderful work. Keep lifting your heels gently, stay steady, and keep breathing normally. If you need a short pause, take one, but come right back and join me. You are doing incredible for day 15. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent, just 10 more left. Stay strong, keep your focus, and feel that strength building in your legs. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic job. You have just completed 50 heel raises, and I am so proud of you. Take a moment to lower your heels completely and gently shake out your legs. Feel how light and strong your feet and ankles have become. This simple yet powerful exercise improves balance, strengthens your calves, and keeps your ankles stable, which is essential for everyday walking and standing activities. If you completed all 50 repetitions, type in the comments, "I did it." You have worked very hard today. Tell me, how are you feeling after finishing all 3 exercises for day 15? Remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join you in staying strong, steady, and active every single day. Amazing work, my seniors. You've completed all 3 exercises for day 15. How are you feeling today? Let me know in the comments. If you finish the whole workout, comment, "I did it." And don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay strong with you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 16. Stay active, stay strong.